Yo, what is up, boys? It is Aiden from Just Pause, and in this guide, we're going to be showing you exactly how you can use the Dance of Wrath technique here in Ghost of Yotei. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Let's go ahead and jump in though. If you don't know what the Dance of Wrath actually is, it's an upgraded version of the Heavenly Strike. To actually activate this, simply go ahead and press R1 and L1 together. Just keep in mind it does cost 3 resolve points. When triggered, it is going to let you unleash powerful strikes that can hit and disarm up to 3 enemies at once. So how do you unlock it? You'll first need to progress into the end game, and from here, head down to the Ashima coast and look for the Forgotten Shrine down there. There you're going to meet a storyteller who's going to give you that Stormblade quest. Complete this quest, fight through the boss at the end, and once you do win, you'll unlock that Dance of Wrath. It is obviously that devastating move that feels amazing to use in combat, and you can actually chain it with other techniques, rack up trophies, and take down groups and groups of enemies here in style. But that's it. It really is as simple as that. Super fun, super powerful. Let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions, and don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Of course, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more guides just like this. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.